What's up everybody? We are the Be Active Group and we are officially on tour. We're going to be touring South Africa, showing you guys and coming to chat to you guys about how you can implement a physical development program in a safe and in the regulational way. Alright, this is going to be lots and lots of fun. We're going to be doing a workshop for all the staff and teachers.
For the kids.
And for the kids, we've got a little show. Something that looks a little like this.
Wow, that looks so awesome. We really can't wait to come and tour at your school.
So guys, we'll be hosting a workshop for the staff members of your school to assist them in how to implement this physical development program. Also, while in the meantime,
We will be having a show where your students, your children will be having loads and loads of fun, while at the same time, they'll be introduced to the physical development program that your staff members will be having a workshop on. So this is going to be a way that your whole school will be introduced to a healthy, active, sustainable lifestyle.
so guys, this is all in a safe and regulated manner. So if you want to get involved, if you want us to come to your school during our tour, hit us up, get clicking on the link, give us a call, send us an email, go and have a look at our YouTube page, all our different social medias, and we cannot wait to be involved with you guys. See you guys super soon.